Welcome. Today, we're going to show you how to archive a group on Telegram using the updated methods. Let's dive into the steps. 1. Open the Telegram app on your phone. Begin by launching the Telegram application on your smartphone. Locate the Telegram icon and tap to open the app. 2. The first method. Swipe left on the chat thread or conversation that you want to archive. By swiping left on the group chat, you will move it to the Archive Chats folder, keeping it out of your main chat list. 3. The second method. Long press on one group until the tick appears, then tap the 3 dots at the top right corner of the screen. Select the Archive option from the menu that appears to archive the group chat. By following these methods, you can easily archive a group on Telegram using your phone. Archiving a group chat helps you organize your conversations by storing less active or important groups in the Archived Chats folder. This allows you to focus on the chats that are more relevant to you. Thank you for watching, and enjoy streamlining your Telegram groups by archiving them with these simple techniques.